Hey everybody. Alright, so I just showed up to my customer's pool this morning and this is what warned me about it. He told me it was pretty green and this thing turned green like literally overnight. It was spotless until like Wednesday and he said he saw a little bit of green in it but not a big deal because I'm going to be here Friday, which is true, not a big deal. But then he woke up in the morning and boom! We're like, what the heck? So here is, if your pool ever does this, now the pump's running, right? And we have no movement in this pool. Nothing in that skimmer, barely anything in that skimmer, nothing. The floor jets, the pump ups are not running. So my first go-to is the filter. So we walk over to the filter and, now I've already done this, but I'm gonna film it so y'all can see it. Come to the filter and we got a high pressure. See that? Dirty, now be clean. And last week, this was way down here at clean. It was beautiful. So it shot up. So, and we can see in the pump, we've got some air at top. There's not a great suction there. So definitely something in the pump filter. We're gonna take it apart and we're gonna see what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna turn off the system. Well, right now, we're gonna turn it off. We are going to release the air, right? And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to unscrew this bolt and remove this clamp. And I'll be right back. All right, so to unbolt this bolt right here, you are going to need a 9/16 ratchet. You can use a wrench, but it's going to take you forever. If you've got an electric drill, even better. I don't use electric drills because sometimes you could pinch this too tight if you're not careful. And I just prefer to use a ratchet. 9/16 inch and you're good to go. So we're going to take that apart and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what it looks like. So I just did it. I just flipped it and it popped open and it came. This was actually pretty easy. It just came right off, which is awesome. So here we go. We're going to, see if I got this in one hand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See that nastiness? That is exactly why that pool is dirty. And it got filled and full of algae. So I'm gonna pull these all out. I'm gonna wash them down. I'm going to clean up this gasket, put some new lube on it, and be right back. You gotta pull this manifold off. It comes right off. It's a little stuck on there because of this O-ring right here. So you want to inspect that. Make sure there's no breaks. I'll lube it up before we put this thing back on, but we will clean this thing up. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if you can all see that garden spider. But baby, I walk back here and I'm like, holy mother of God, baby Jesus. There's a few of them in there now. Because Mama had them and Mama has some babies. All right, so we'll pull out each filter. Y'all need to see. You don't have to see me do each one, but we've got some water down in there. I'm gonna take off the drain plug, empty the water, wash it all out with a hose, and right back. All right, so I just finished cleaning the filters. I did not record the after. I was here with the homeowner. He showed up to go over the pool with me, and all back together. You can see now we've got great flow in the pump, and my pressure. Let's readjust that. There we go. Normally 24. See the clean arrow right there? Dirty arrows over here. So we're good. I've got tablets in my chlorinator, and I turned it up a little bit, up to 4. Get some more chlorine in that pool. Let's get this thing cleared up. All right. Filter's clean. Here we go. See that waterfall flowing? We've got movement in the pool. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see the movement there. We got movement. I've got tablets in the float. This is gonna clear up really nice. I'm gonna shock it, I'm gonna brush it. I'll vacuum, vacuum, vacuum.